Hi, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful stitch. You can use this pattern for your blanket, tuck hat, bobble hat, scarf, sofa shawl, cardigan, and sweater. So let's start it. Start the slip knot and chain as many as you want. Skip 3 chains. Insert your hook into the 4th chain and make a double crochet. Make a double crochet in each stitch. At the end, make a double crochet into the last chain. Chain 1, turn your work. Make a front post, single crochet. Make a front post, single crochet in each stitch. At the end, make a single crochet into the last stitch. Chain 3, turn your work. Make back post, double crochet, make back post, double crochet in each stitch. At the end of the row, make back post, double crochet and make a double crochet into the last stitch. Chain 1 and repeat. Repeat row 2 and 3 until you reach the desired size. Thank you for your consideration to this matter. I hope you like it. See you later. Bye.